sobrang toxic na ng buhay, gusto ko lang magpahinga. Kaso pagbukas sa cellphone at scroll sa social media, na pagkunot ang noo, sabing ano na naman to.
Napasabi talaga ako, ano na naman to? Ano namang kalokohan to? Yo, so, a lot of you actually request for us to react to this. So today, we're gonna watch a video of Miss O about, of course, allegedly a Bloom editing SB19 Wikipedia page and vandalizing SB19 Wikipedia page. So, I did a little bit of digging already with this, but let's go ahead and check the video of Miss O as well. While, I give you my 2 cents and my thoughts regarding to this issue that we have in here, this, spies. But yeah.
Why is a Bloom editing SB19's Wikipedia, erasing Mahalima and risking its quality contents? This is really getting out of hand. Maiintindihan pa natin ang bashing on social media, fan versus fan, but pretending to be an 18 to enter and spy on GDMs, doxing 18, and now editing SB19's own Wikipedia. Mind you, ang gumawa nito ay confirmed Beanie fan.
Well, totoo naman, no? I mean, this is a confirmed Beanie fan. I mean, siya na mismo ang naglagay sa parang, bio niya, no, na he is a Beanie fan since, like 2023 or something like that. Sabi pa nga dito sa user page niya, I'm an active in music industry, especially on Pinoy pop or OPM, but this is not only music of the Philippines. I focus on whole music industry where I fit. Although I'm not familiar in the songs, I still can figure them out by following the rules and guidelines of general notability for songs. But then again, if you check furthermore, seems like in terms of Filipino music is only, interested in Beanie. And also WWE.
Wikipedia and posted the changes on Threads. At dito nga nakita na this person erased the word Mahalima and added tags for AI-generated contents, prompting quality warnings. At sa halip na pagsabihan ng kapwa Bloom ay may
Okay, so about this, I did check what happened, no? So apparently, this Roy is War is trying to remove Mahalima. Kasi ito nga, sabi dito sa screen na meron tayo, tinanggal din yung Mahalima sa also known as, dun sa may information box ng SB19 sa Wikipedia, because hindi naman talaga siya, paano sabihin to? Meron silang term dun eh. The term is fancraft. So, parang ibig sabihin nun is hindi talaga siya parang official, and it's only known within the fandom. So basically what they're trying to say is putting this in Wikipedia for all people to see, like even casuals or even, those people na wala talaga idea sa SB19 and just trying to, check information about them. Maybe na nakapakinig sila ng isang kanta ng SB19 and they just wanna check information about SB19. Parang sinasabi niya dito na this is irrelevant, natawagin sila or sabihin, ilagay sila sa also known as Mahalima. Parang sinasabi niya dito na pwede siyang ilagay in terms of like history, just a context in the history of SB19, but technically dapat hindi daw siya nasa also known as. Sabi nga dito sa reply dito sa Wikipedia, sa parang parang comment section ng Wikipedia, I don't even know na meron ganito sa Wikipedia, no? Hindi ako ganoon ka aware about how Wikipedia works. The only thing that I know about Wikipedia is Wikipedia is a page where you can volunteers and people can put factual information sa isang bagay. It's a collaboration of information basically. And sabi nga dito, a reply niya kay Grabber Grasang. Sabi nga dito, it's not worthy to mention as also known. it can be mentioned in the section during their conflict on Show BT, but the rest, I don't think they're significant on Mahalima. It feels this is a form of fancraft. So yun na nga, ito nang nabanggit ko kanina, di ba? Basically, yung salitang Mahalima is parang, ano lang, no? Kumbaga, para lang sa inside the fandom, doon lang alam yung salitang Mahalima. Basically, yun yung sinasabi na dito. And it's not actually important outside the fandom. So, sinasabi niya dito na yung Mahalima is hindi naman talaga ganun ka-importante na malaman ng mga casuals, you know, habang kinikilala nila yung SB19 sa umpisa, you know? Parang sinasabi dito na, yeah, if you become an 18 and, you know, an actual fan, yeah, sure, you can call them Mahalima. Maybe that's important now to you, but right now, since you're not a fan yet, you're a casual, you know, this is not important. You don't have to know this. Parang ganyan yung sinasabi niya, no? Parang di mo kailangan malaman na Mahalima yung tawag sa kanila inside the fandom. What the fuck?
Nagtanggol pa dito na tila ba ay pinapalabas na maliit na bagay o nonsense lamang ang pag-praise sa Mahalima.
Yep, true. Sabi niya dito na, ano, parang pet name daw, no? Pet name? What the fuck?
Ayon pa dito, SB19 was never known as Mahalima. It's just the fandom's pet name. Kung ano-ano.
Which is true, man. That is fucking true, man. Technically, hindi naman kilala ang SB19 as Mahalima, but they actually trademarked and copyrighted that. That word Mahalima. So, basically, even though na sinasabi nyo na parang this is only within the fandom or something like that, they trademarked and copyrighted this. So, meaning it's part of SB19 now. So, hindi na siya parang irrelevant information na parang hindi importante. Diba? So, I feel like the Mahalima should be back sa also known as information box ng SB19 sa Wikipedia. Because of, you know, that thing na they trademark and copyrighted the word Mahalima. Alright? And also, paano ba sabi na, meron nga silang kanta na SLMT, which is word by word, sinabi lang na Mahalima, mahal ka ng 5. So, what I'm trying to say is, I know SLMT is a song that is initially created for SB19 to say thank you sa mga fans or sa 18, but also it's a song. So basically, anyone can listen to it. You know, if you get what I mean. Because again, what they're trying to say in here is Mahalima is only important within the fandom. So why putting it in a song, right? A song that can that everyone can listen.
Ano na lang talaga ang pinagsasabi, maitanggol lang ang kasamahan. FYI, Mahalima is not just a pet name, it's not just a simple word.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I mean, this is the first time that I'm watching Miss O's video. So I did check what seems to be the issue because the title of the video of Miss O already says everything. You know, why is Bloom editing SB19's Wikipedia page or Wikipedia erasing Mahalima and risking its quality contents? So I already tried to do my research before we even watched the video. But it seems like Miss O is also going to mention in here that the word Mahalima is actually already been copyrighted by 1Z or SB19. So, right?
It's a registered trademark by SB19 and in fact, Mahalima ang ginamit nilang pangalan sa panahong pinagbawalan silang gamitin ang SB19.
Mm-hmm.
And also, kahit patuldok lang ang ginawa, a Bloom has no right to enter and edit SB19's Wikipedia.
That's the one thing na dito, no? Lalong nagpainit. Kasi sa totoo lang, kung titignan mo to sa mas malayong perspective, hindi naman siya ganun kalaking bagay, no? Basically, technically, wala naman siyang sinabing ikasisira ng SB19. I mean, well, this fucking guy did put a taggings of AI generated sa Wikipedia ng SB19 stating that, you know, there are informations in Wikipedia that is maybe not reliable and made by AI without any, you know, without credibility. It can ruin the image of SB19. But technically, wala naman siyang sinabi, no, na specifically na masama sa SB19. But this is the thing na sobrang dito, no, naging issue this guy, Roy Iswar, is a Beanie fan, man. And again, we're going to go back to his user page. Kung makikita nyo dito, again, this is a user page ni Roy Iswar. Pinakita ko to kanina, no, na he becomes a Beanie fan since 2023 and also a WWE. I don't know why this is here, but sure. And this is a history of Roy Iswar. Nabanggit nga niya dito na he created, articles para kay Maloy, which is a member of Beanie. Also, Colette, which is of course also a member of Beanie, which is yun pa lang, no, doon mahalata na this guy is actually only interested in Beanie. So the question here is why you're in SB19 Wikipedia page editing informations. Kasi nangyayari, parang pinupulis niya yung mga information eh. Ganyan nangyayari. Kasi sabi nga niya dito sa may user page niya, I'm a new article reviewer, which is if you check that information, no, an article a reviewer is a person who reviews articles kung meron bang conflicting informations and also like maybe nakasira dun sa bagay or topic or subject ng Wikipedia na yon na hindi naman totoo and putting vandalism and copyright violation or attack sa taong yon or subject dun sa Wikipedia page na yon. So, yun yung trabaho nila, no? So, basically, yung trabaho niya dito, even though na hindi siya aware about SB19, basically what he can like edit or pulisin pa rin yung mga articles or information doon because he's part of this new article fucking group, no? But the thing is, mukhang hindi siya ganun kagaling sa paggawa ng mga bagay na to, no? Like nangyayari ngayon. Because if you check in here, let's go back to history of Roy Iswar. Even sa mga article niya na ginawa kay Baloy, nakakuha siya ng parang negative feedback sa mga article na ginawa niya for Maloy and Colette. So basically, even on your own fandom, hindi mo nagagawa ng maayos yung trabaho mo, no? So, paano mo masasabi na, paano mo nagawang gawin to sa Wikipedia page ng ibang P-pop group na technically sa itsura pa lang ng ano mo is wala kang alam, no? Wala kang idea kung ano talaga yung tungkol sa meron sa grupo na yon.
And hindi lang ito once or twice na ginawa ng Bloom na ito, kundi napakaraming beses.
Maraming
This
beses.
person has also been adding AI-generated remarks on the contents, which will possibly make a question.
Ngayon nabanggit ko, no? So, basically, nagpuput siya ng nilalagyan niya ng tagging ng AI-generated yung ibang information doon, stating na yung ibang information doon possibly made by AI and maybe not a reliable information.
Questionable impression, lalo na sa mga casuals na
True.
magbabasa
Yung
dito.
ngayon nabanggit ko.
Tila ba may intensyon silang mangsabotahe? Actually, nakakatakot na ito. Yung simpleng bardagulan lamang ang ginagawa ng 18 sa mga haters and bashers, pero yung mga paraan at teknik na ginagawa ng kabilang bakod ay 10 times ahead but in a very negative way.
Yeah.
Reeks of ill intention. Kaya 18, maging mapagmatyag and let's pray harder for SB19.
Alright, that is the video of Miss O. No, nakakalungkot lang na umaabot na yung simple fan war umabot na sa gantong bagay, no, na merong mga ibang nagdo-007 pa, no, na nagiging spy sa loob ng fandom ng iba para lang i-dox yung information ng ibang tao doon sa fandom na yon. Na nakakatawa and at the same time napaka-loser mentality ng mga ganon, no? Like, hindi nyo ba kayang maipag-trash talk ka na lang? Diba? Like, trash talk ka na lang, no? Kung may sasabihin kang masama sa fandom namin, di masasabihin kayong masama sa fandom nyo. At least ganun lang, no? Palitan lang masamang salita kung gusto nyo talaga ng away. That's okay. I mean, that's how fan war works, technically. Dapat gano'n lang naman talaga, eh, no? Parang lang yan, eh. Yung mga lumaki sa com shop, di ba? Yung mga nagdodota, di ba? Habang nagdodota, nagtatrastukan, di ba? But after nung laro, tapos na. Laro lang trastukan, no? Same as this fan war, no? Pwede man tayong sabi nga ni Miss O, magbardagulan, no? Mag-comment sa ganito, comment sa ganyan, kung di talaga may iwasan, no? Kasi, again, hindi ko man sinasabi na bini lang, no? May mga 18 fan din talaga na grabe din magsalita, di ba? Grabe din may pagbardagulan sa comment section, but sana hanggang dun lang, no? Hindi yung parang gawa-gawa na kayo ng way para sirain yung image talaga ng isang artist para sa ibang tao. Parang parang sobra na. But yeah, yun yung dito, no? Ang moral lesson dito, men, is bago ka gumawa ng bagay or mag-edit ng information about these people, make sure na yung sarili mong tao, no, is marunong kang gumawa ng own article, because again, your article to Maloy and Colette is not even good, that you're getting a pushback and a hate your own Beanie fan mates, So yeah, parang ayusin mo muna yung gawa mo sa sarili mong fandom bago ka gumawa ng edits or article or whatever the fuck you want outside of your fandom. So yeah, I just wanna talk about this issue again, and it's actually like very ridiculous, man. But comment down below kung anong tingin niyo sa bagay na to, and see you on the next one. Peace.